Aloha, I'm Chef Michi. Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make sheet pan salmon and veggies. Preheat oven to 425 degrees. Cover a rimmed baking sheet with parchment and generously coat with cooking spray. Cut the kabocha squash in half and discard the seeds, then cut each half into half-inch slices. In a large bowl, toss the kabocha in 1 tablespoon olive oil and then sprinkle with paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and black pepper to taste. Then place on one side of the prepared sheet pan. Bake the kabocha for 15 minutes. Remove the pan from the oven and increase the temperature to 450 degrees. Add salmon to the pan, season with dill, 1 teaspoon garlic salt and pepper to taste, and top with lemon slices. Cook for 10 minutes. In a large bowl, snap ends and toss the asparagus with remaining 1 tablespoon oil and 1 teaspoon garlic salt and black pepper to taste. Add asparagus to the sheet pan and bake for 5 more minutes, a little longer for thick salmon. Remove the pan from the oven and sprinkle the asparagus with reserved lemon zest. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.